How you doing, sir? Yeah, we're getting a new one in for you.
Okay. Awesome.
Yeah, this one will be. This is much better. This is a Bradford White, so it's like that's top tier. Those are the best you can get.
Assuming was it covered by insurance or not the insurance? The warranty? Probably not.
Partial. Yeah, we just had to present the out-of-car costs for the homeowner, and yeah, he accepted them.
For what cost?
The out-of-pocket, which is like remaining. So he paid like a partial.
Cool.
But yeah, y'all getting. I mean, this is like. I mean, these are better than Reams for sure.
Great.
So yeah, so we'll get you all set up, and then I should be done. I give me about a couple hours. I'll have the water firing up.
A couple hours.
Yep, I'll have it already firing up in about 2 hours at the most.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Okay, so
Pink is the biggest.
Let us know if you need anything.
yes, sir, we'll do. See,